Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Dianegee, and today I'm going to walk you through 3 new Mary Kay products that I had never tried before. The first product I'm going to show you is the eye primer. I had watched it being demonstrated in my demo class by my director, Jerry, but I had never tried it before. So I decided it was time to try what I was showing other people. It comes in a little tube. Don't need very much. I don't want to squirt it because it's very hard to squirt just a little bit. It's white and it goes on very smoothly. Now when you're putting it on, be sure to be very careful with your eyelid. Use your finger by your pinky so that you're not being too heavy-handed and not too rough on your eye. I had put it on and then put on my eye makeup, and I was surprised that my makeup looked great all day long. I shouldn't be surprised though, because Mary Kay makes great products. Okay, so the next one is the foundation primer. Now this one was my biggest surprise. I had never heard of a foundation primer before. And again, you don't need very much. It'll go a long way. This one's a little easier to show you. It's almost like a clear white color. And again, a little bit will go a long way on your face, cover everywhere, and then put on your foundation. What a surprise I had. It felt awesome. The foundation went on so much smoother and it felt so much softer on my skin. So this is my biggest win of the day of the 3. Number 3, Silky setting powder. After you're done with your makeup, just get one of your larger brushes, puff it in there and just place it all over your face. I sort of go on an up and down motion like this. The nice thing about this powder is that Mary Kay has made a dispenser so that you can turn it, put the lid back on, give it a shake, and then you've got just enough powder for you to use for one time. Great thinking, Mary Kay. That was awesome. This comes in different shades, by the way, so it can suit your coloring of your skin. Okay, those are my 3. My number 1 choice, the foundation primer, but the other 2 are amazing as well. I won't be giving them up anytime soon. 3 new products, 3 new wows. So if you want to try these products, all you have to do is contact me below, either in the description or leave a comment, and I will get back to you. I will mail you some of the product and we will do it online in Messenger. So as long as you're in Canada, we can get together and do a class together. Hope to see you again on my channel. Take care. Bye-bye.